Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a landing page on Mailchimp. To do this, you're going to click campaigns, all campaigns, and create. And now you will be able to choose landing page. So you click build landing page name, so solve store YouTube example, and continue. You can also choose your audience here. And now, once we've done that, you can select a template. So let's, for example, lead generation, simple, and accept. Now it will load up, and now you can actually add text, box text, image card, image group, image and text, social follow, buttons, videos, products, and promo codes. So you can edit everything here, add your logo here, subscribe button, your social media, and of course edit the backgrounds like a style, and so on and so forth. So now we can save and close, and save and close again. And just like that, you have created this landing page. Of course, you need to edit it, add your own. As you can see, you can edit the URL if you want to. For example, you can connect a domain by clicking right there. I have already added my domain, but it has not been connected yet, as you can see. But once you will do that, you will be able to add it to your landing page. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.